Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the HTML paragraphs. So HTML paragraphs are simply a block of text, but whenever you use a paragraph element in the HTML file, it will always start with a new line. Without just wasting the time, let's just see the things in the code, see the paragraph element in the code and paragraph related elements as well. So here we just have the heading. I just want to add a paragraph element here, p. I have just written the paragraph here, and let me just refresh this thing, and this is how we use the paragraph in HTML. But we're gonna learn about the other elements that are related to the paragraph as well. We have the line break element, which we use in between the paragraph element to give a line break in a paragraph. If I just run this thing, and you can see there is a line break in the first paragraph. If I just want to add the same thing in the last paragraph and save this, you can see the line break in the last paragraph as well. So this is a line break element. Now I just wanted to add a line between these different paragraphs, these three paragraphs. So for that I have an element which I use, which is hr horizontal rule. It will provide you that line. Let me save this code and run this code again. So this is how it works, and there is another element which we call the pre-formatted text. For example, I just want to give a space to the paragraph. I just want to put the paragraph on the new line and HTML document on a new line and a file and a tutorial text also on a new line, and save this. This formatting won't be shown on your browser, okay? Because when you write something in the paragraph, it will automatically ignore or delete the spacing, extra spacing. So that's why you cannot use this formatting here. You have to use another element which we call the pre-formatted text. The pre-formatted text element display the text as it was written in the code, okay? So you can see now, if I just run this thing, you can see the spacing and all that space line. So this is all for this video. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.